this tax is going to pay us $1 just to install app and verify. And if you also scroll down over here, this one is also going to pay us $1 just to join the Telegram channel over here. And you scroll down over here, this one is self mobile app testing. You are going to test app, and they are actually going to pay you $2.5 over here. In this video, I'm going to show you two legit websites that I've been using it for the past 3 years to make money online without any investment. And this app, it's free of charge. It doesn't require any sign up fee. All you have to do is to make sure that you can use your phone or laptop to do it everywhere in this world over here. Whether you are from Ghana, Nigeria, Bangladesh, anywhere in the world, this website will accept you to work with them. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video over here. So this is the second website I'm going to talk about over here. It is called SproutGig. If you scroll down over here, you can see that for the past 3 years ago, I've made $6.7 on this website, and I was not even serious about this. So I'm actually going to show you how you can register your account and how you can also start earning. So make sure to stick to this video without missing any part over here. So first of all, let me show you how you can able to sign up on this account over here. Alright, so this is the interface of this app. As you can see that this app hire people for any tax over here. They pay you to do micro jobs on this website over here. So first of all, click on sign up over here. This is the sign up section. Click on sign up over here, and you can see that we have two options over here. The first one is I am freelancer. The second one is I am buyer. So if you want to work and get paid, you have to select I am freelancer. If you also want to pay people to work for you, you can also select I am buyer. So we are going to, for the purpose of this video, we are going to select I am freelancer because we want to earn money on this website. So first of all, scroll down over here, and the first one is saying you should enter your real name in English. So you enter your first name over here, and also your last name over here, and also your nickname over here, and also enter your email address. Enter your password and confirm your password, and select your country. You can see it works worldwide. Any country over here, you can see Angola and many more. I can't mention this country over here. Anywhere in the world, you can also apply on this country. Alright, so and also you come to agree the terms and condition, and also click on send me mail if you want them to send you news so that you can able to read how this website works. You can click on this one, then you click on sign up over here. Very simple like that. Alright, so this is my account over here. You can see I've been working on this site for the past 3 years, so I have experience. That's why I'm saying that you should stick to this video without missing any part. Alright, so let's scroll down over here. You can see that here are jobs level over here, and we have category over here. Let's also scroll down over here. You can see that this tax is going to pay us $1 just to install app and verify. And if you also scroll down over here, this one is also going to pay us $1 just to join the Telegram channel over here. And you scroll down over here, this one is self mobile app testing. You are going to test app, and they are actually going to pay you $2.5 over here. And if you scroll down over here, you can see the bunch of jobs over here. So for you to get started, scroll down over here, and in this video we are actually going to download app and get paid. So let's click on this category section and scroll down. We have express job, sign up job, SEO plus, promote content job, and we also have data entry. Also we have Telegram jobs, Discord jobs, social media jobs, TikTok job, video marketing jobs, and we also have much more jobs over here. So this is how you can also sign up, get jobs over here. So first of all, let's go to video marketing over here. Click on video marketing, and this page you're actually going to watch YouTube video and get paid over here. You scroll down over here, this one is also paying 0.7 to watch 3 minutes YouTube video, just 3 minutes YouTube video. And this one is also going to pay you to also watch 3 minutes video. You watch a video you like, and it's also share. You can share the video to social media platform, and they are also going to pay you $0.07 over here. Let me show you another way you can also earn on this platform. Also click on the drop over here, scroll down over here, scroll down over here, and you can see that you also have mobile application on iPhone. Click on this one and also click on apply. You see a bunch of jobs over here, and see that this one is paying us 2.5 USD just to install app, and this one is also paying us 0.14 USDs. And what he's saying that we should download and install app and make sure that we are a new user to the app, and he's going to pay us 0.14 within a day. And you should also, if you also scroll down over here, you can see that this one is also paying you to install and open Alien email verification app, and it's also going to pay you 0.4 US dollars over here. You can see if you stick to this website for 1 week, you can make passive income for yourself. Alright, so this is the first website that I'm going to be talking about. It is called Idle Empire. This website actually pay you to play games and do some of the tasks over here. You can also watch YouTube videos and also get paid on this website. So without wasting much time, let me show you how you can also sign up to this website and also start making good amount of money on this website. So click on the sign up page over here. You can see the process of the first one is the same as this one over here. So enter your name over here, email address, password, and also confirm your password, and also come and click on I'm not a robot over here, and also click on the agree terms and conditions and click on sign up, and make sure to go to your email account to go and verify your account so that the account will be verified. All right, so I also have an account. Let me show you how you can also work on this website over here. So this is my dashboard over here. You can see that we have survey over here, we have offer wall, we have offers, we have videos over here, and we have referrals. So at the end of this video, I will also show you how you can increase your earning on this platform. First of all, let's talk about the survey over here. So if you scroll down on this survey, you can see that there are a bunch of jobs over here. This one is going to pay you just to do simple survey within 50 minutes, and they are going to pay you amount of 5,000 points over here. And this point over here, you can convert this point into real cash. So before I will show you how to do this work, let me show you how you can also withdraw your money from this website over here. So first of all, click on the three over here and click on withdraw over here, and you can see that these are the payment proof over here. So you can also withdraw to a Binance gift card over here. So you can see that 5,000 points is the minimum withdrawal over here. So let's go down and let's see amount of 5,000 points that you can convert to your money, how much you are going to earn. You scroll down over here, you can see that for every 5,000 coins is equivalent to 0.5 US dollars over here, and for amount of 10,000 points you get 1 US dollars over here, and for amount of 50,000 points is equivalent to 1 USDT over here. So let's go to our main. Alright, so we are back on the survey, which means that if you complete this task, you're gonna gain 0.5 US dollars over here. This tax is also paying you 4,700 coins, equivalent to 0.7 US dollar over here. So these are the bunch of jobs that you can do over here. And aside that, let me also show you how you can increase your earning over here. So click on here and also click on earn, and also scroll down to offers. Offers also can pay you a bunch of tax. And right now you can see that we don't have any offer here. So let's scroll down, click on earn. Let's also scroll down over here and click on watch videos. So you can also watch video on this platform and get paid. And in my next video, I think I'll talk about this over here. So let me show you another way you can also make passive income on this website. So click on here and also click on earn, and also scroll down and come to referral over here. So for your referral over here, anytime you invite your friend to join this website is actually going to pay you 50 coins for every referral that you bring to the website, and your referral will earn 500 whenever they sign up through your invite link. So I will leave a link there. If you sign up, they are actually going to be giving you 500 coins as a sign up bonus over here. And anytime that you also invite your friend, you earn 20% of whatever your friend earns. So make sure to share this video to your friend, and also you can also give them your invite link, so that whenever they sign up to your link, you will earn 20% of whatever that they earn. So make sure to like this video and watch out for my next video. Peace out.